Jews. This message is for the Jews, for the Muslims, and for the Christians. If we read together what is written in Wikipedia, I will share the links. We find that Anu is, we read together, people. Why are you confusing stuff to create conflicts and problems and wars? Let's go to the original. What is written in Wikipedia? If you have any other suggestions, please comment. I will read here from Wikipedia. I didn't write this text. This is Wikipedia. You see, people, Anu. Let's see what is written here. Anu, sky, heaven, you know, the sky religions, or the Abrahamic religions, the sky religions. They called sky religions because of Anu. Anu is sky, is heaven. Anu. So let's read here. Let's read. I'm looking for.
We have Anu in the Holy Bible. Uranus, Uranu, Ur, the from, Ur means from, and Anu, Uranu, the light of Anu. Anu, from Anu, the light of Anu. Ur is light of Anu, Uranus. We have it in the Bible. Our Father in Heaven Ouranos, or our Father Ouranos. We have it in the Bible.
Allah and Yahweh, they
so,
don't exist.
What is this?
Allah is a name.
This with Yahweh and Allah, fictional deities, just not the real names of the Almighty God, the Creator of all.
And ELLAH in Arabic means the God.
So even in Islam, it is Qur'anu. It's not Quran. It's Holy Qur'anu. Qur'anu, the creation of Anu. Qur is a Sumerian word, means the creation. Is a Turkish word also. I have showed the links many times. I'm not showing any more links.
Simply means sky in Sumerian. In Akkadian, it was spelled as Anu and was written either logogeographically and syllabically.
So why are people not listening to this message? Very strange.
In Sumerian text, unlike the name, other deities, he was never prefaced by the Dingir sign referred to. This is since it would result in unnecessary. So in addition to referring to sky and heaven and to Anu, the same sign could also be read as Dingir or ʻIlu. So Dingir and ʻIlu and Anu is all the same, one and the same, referring to sky and heaven and to Anu. Again, we read again. In addition to referring to sky and heaven and to Anu, the same sign could also be read as Dingir or ʻIlu. And he has the number 60. That's why Muslims say Allahu Akbar. Akbar does not mean greatest. Akbar means bigger or older. So Anu has the biggest number. Bigger. Anu is bigger than Enlil. Anu is bigger than Enki. Anu is bigger than Haddad. So, as the number 60 was associated with him, we have 60 in the minute, 60 minutes in an hour, 60 seconds in a minute. That's where we get the number 60. It's the highest number. So Anu is Akbar. Anu is Akbar, not Allah. Allah doesn't mean nothing. Allah means God is bigger. You don't say God is bigger. It doesn't mean anything. You need to say who is God. If you say Allah Akbar, it translated God is bigger. But who is God? You need to say Anu Akbar. Anu is bigger. So Akbar is not greatest. Please, if you know Arabic language, you know that greater is not Akbar, is Azam. Akbar is greater, not greater. Akbar is bigger or older. So let's read who is ʻIlu. We go here, we check ʻIlu. ʻIlu, spelled as L. See? Remember here? What did we read? Sky and heaven unto Anu. The same sign could also be read as Dinjir or ʻIlu.
So ʻIlu is Anu.
ʻIlu.
Who is ʻIlu? ʻIlu is El.
Anu. Later known as Yahweh.
So they call El Yahweh, then they call him Allah. But his original name was Anu, or An, or King An. So please people, I mean, it takes 1 minute to see this stuff. So please do some research before you worship fictional deities. Thank you. Thanks in advance. Have a great day. Blessing to all.